Hey guys, it's Jodie Fitz. It's time to talk about back to school lunches. Here is a quick trick that I used to use with my kids. I have two different spreads, but really the combinations are endless. So in this bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and a teaspoon of honey that I'm just going to mix together. And then in my other bowl, I have the Market 32 vegetable cream cheese that I let set to room temperature. I'm just going to stir it with a teaspoon of our favorite ranch dressing. I love the avocado ranch that you can find right in the produce area, like the cooler section of your Price Chopper Market 32 stores. I have pre-sliced some thin slices of banana and some thin slices of cucumber. And I've pre-cut some of my bread. I'm just using a circular cookie cutter, and I'm going to go ahead and create those circles. This is really great for your crustless friends that don't really like sandwiches. My daughter didn't like sandwiches, so this was a super alternative. Then on one side, I'm just going to spread a little bit of the peanut butter. I'm going to put a little bit on the other side as well. Then I'm going to add the banana slices, and I'm going to coat them with just a little bit of cinnamon. Then I'm going to spread the cream cheese mixture onto the circles as well. I'm going to stuff that sandwich with a little bit of cucumber. Once I have everything together, I'm going to enclose the sandwiches, and then I'm simply going to take a fork. I'm going to go around the edges and create a crustless sandwich pocket. All right, guys, and that's it. We used to call these UFOs when my daughter was little. They're kind of like unidentifiable flying objects, and you never know what the surprise is inside unless you're making them. But they're easy, delicious, and a great pack for lunch or to make when you're home.